So you have it on video.
Oh yeah, I got it on video. Yeah. Video time.
And like a horrible wizard.
Okay, so you look impressed. That's okay. I look impressed, kinda. Oh look, and now you smile and the camera's on.
That's the worst type of person.
Who would have thought?
Me, apparently.
No,
Oh my goodness. You guys still burning shit?
Well,
We
we're
like to burn
trying to.
shit.
We like to burn shit. Don't take film. God damn it. That was, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I will clean it up.
Charlie!
God bless. I mean, fuck God. Eat a dick. Okay.
Charlie, you ruined my life.
I'm sorry.
You ruined my entire life.
Okay, guys. Okay, you want to fucking be a little primary school kid? Do you want to really see my bum crack on camera? Because you will see it if you keep doing that.
Brain it. I'll double brain it with you.
Guys, I'm really sorry I smashed the glass. It really wasn't like my intention to do so. But in saying so, I feel fucking good about it. Fuck it. Everyone, eat a dick. And I'm gonna eat a biscuit. And enjoy it too. And I'm gonna broom, I'm gonna mop it, whatever I need to do.
I'll clean it up. I'll clean it up, man. Don't worry.
Charlie, oh my God, I didn't realize I was so close to it.
Yeah. Are we still filming?
Yeah.
Charlie, just shut the fuck up and
What a
sit down.
horrible cunt that guy was that did that. What an absolute
Look at
horrible
this, I can
cunt.
sweep up your shit.
What a
You know what,
bastard.
come here.
Mm.
You sweep this.
Don't give him that.
That's not what a man's for. A man doesn't